home of Tennessee's best newscast. This is News Channel 11 at noon.
New at noon, police in our area report the first death associated with the winter storm. I'm Casey Marlar.
And I'm Amy Lynn. The Kingsport Police Department says it happened Sunday morning around 1:30 on Interstate 81 near exit 66. Police say the driver of a disabled tractor trailer was walking away from the truck. Investigators say the driver of an SUV that was passing by the trucker hit a slick spot, lost control, and hit the truck driver. The truck driver has been identified as 58-year-old William Taylor of Robertsdale, Alabama. He died in that collision. Kingsport police tell us the department's traffic unit continues to investigate the wreck this afternoon.